Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Monday.com Workspaces for team collaboration. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Monday.com Workspaces for team collaboration, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Locate the option labeled Workspaces. Click on it to reveal your current workspaces. If you want to activate a new workspace, select the option to create a new workspace. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new workspace. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the workspace. After naming your workspace, click the Create Workspace button to proceed. Once created, you will see your new workspace listed in the sidebar. Click on the newly created workspace to enter it. Inside the workspace, you can add boards for specific projects or tasks. To add a board, click on the Add Board button within the workspace. Name the board to clearly indicate its focus. Customize the board by selecting the appropriate columns. You can choose different types of columns like text, numbers, dates, and more. Once your board is set up, invite team members to collaborate. Click on the Invite Members button located at the top right of the workspace. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. After inviting them, they will receive an email with a link to join the workspace. Encourage your team to familiarize themselves with the boards and tasks. Schedule a kickoff meeting to discuss goals and objectives. Utilize the communication features within Monday.com to stay connected. Regularly update your boards to reflect progress on tasks. Monitor deadlines and ensure tasks are assigned appropriately. Foster collaboration by encouraging team members to comment on tasks. Use the integration features to connect Monday.com with other tools your team uses. Check back frequently to assess the efficiency of your workspace. Make adjustments as needed to improve team collaboration. This will help optimize your workflow and enhance productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.